Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to move icons from the desktop in Windows without deleting them. You can do this with files as folders and more. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video as you want to go and just have a blank desktop. You can see here, I've got a lot different icons here. Don't want to go and delete them. That act again in the future. So what you need to do is come to a blank space on your desktop. For example, I can come over here and all you need to do is go and right click and you go and get a list of options. What you need to do is go and overview like so. And when you do that, you'd see the option for show desktop icons. We see it's currently ticked. If I go and click it, they'll go and be hidden as can see. And then when you want to go and access them again, all you need to do is right-click, hover over View, and you can select Show Desktop Icons.